Alright, so we're gonna do some food delivery on this bad boy. I got Grubhub going, got Doordash going, and also got UberEats going too. I'm sitting at Walmart right now. I just bought me 2 brand new phone mounts for this scooter. They actually bike mounts, but they handlebar mounts, so they go on there. I got them hooked up. They got this like nice little web thing that holds them on there, so they're gonna be nice and secure. And that way I got my hotspot running on this phone so that I can have Wi-Fi over here. Let's see what this is. Ooh, $8.20 for 5 miles. Nah, I think I'm good. It's too far. Trying to keep the distance down to like 2 to 3 miles if I can, unless the pay is really good. We got $13.09, 17.9 miles. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's gonna be a decline. Got a delivery. We heading over to McDonald's. This one came in on Uber Eats. We got $7.28 for 2 miles, which is actually a pretty good dang order. So we finna slide on over to Mickey Sneeze and grab this food. Boy, I know these phones better not fall. I know these phones better not fall. I should just take the bike trail over there for real. But we already heading down this way, so we kinda ain't got no choice. You know what? I'm about to pull over right here, and I'm about to make sure these phones is good because I don't like the way this thing moving on these handlebars. I don't want it jerking around that much. This phone is a little bit heavier. I mean, it seemed like it's in there pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this phone case off for sure, just to make sure we being safe on this second device. This one seemed like it's good, but I'm not so sure about this other one. So you know what, for now, we're gonna go ahead and take that off because I'd rather be safe than be sorry. Yeah, I ain't trying to have this mug bouncing off the road at 30 miles an hour, so we're gonna throw that phone in there. Hopefully we got enough battery to make it to McDonald's. Top speed right here. We made it. Let's see if they got this ready. Who is this for? We got A71E. Hopefully this damn phone don't die. That
Order $9.94, a sweet tea and a small fry.
got that Uber Eats order right there.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Nice one.
You too. Yes, sir. Order ready to go. That's what I like to see. All right, let's get this thing delivered. Look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna sit this like this. Then we're gonna put the divider up right there. Boom, ready to go. Just like that, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Man, couldn't ask for nothing better. This order is going right back where we just came from. That's perfect. This is how I like to work on this scooter, man. Keep me within my zone. I ain't trying to go too far, you know? Trying to keep that delivery distance down to a 3-mile minimum, because if I do 3 miles in one direction and drive 3 miles back, that's just 6 miles. And I can handle that. Front door service. See if I can take this picture from right here. Perfect. Yes, sir. We got that delivery done. All right, and probably not gonna be able to do no more Uber Eats. We got 19% on this phone. So it may be time to just do some Grubhub and leave it at that because we ain't gonna be able to knock out no more deliveries. Not on this phone. So let's go ahead and toggle Uber Eats on off. And we're gonna rock with just Grubhub for right now. I don't know if I want to do that. All right, time for a good old hill climb. Almost. Almost. Not quite that incline. All right, here we go. Do a motor hill test. Let's go. Nope, can't cut it. It can't cut it. Just ain't quite powerful enough for that one. But let's see if we can find one that it can do. It might be able to go up this hill. Let's see. Almost.